Welcome to the top best. The best leather repair is probably one of the most effective ways to breathe new life into your car's interior. Cracked leather seats not only look unsightly but can also diminish the value and comfort of your vehicle. In this video, we'll explore the best products and techniques to restore your leather seats, making them look as good as new. Number 5. Chemical Guys Leather Cleaner and Conditioner Kit. Leather needs proper care to stay soft and crack-free. This kit provides a 1-2 punch, cleaning and conditioning to keep it supple, smooth, and fresh. First, the pH-balanced cleaner lifts dirt and grime. Then, the conditioner nourishes and restores flexibility, enhancing the leather's natural scent. Over time, leather can dry out and lose its luster. This kit replenishes essential moisture, helping to prevent cracking, fading, and premature aging, ensuring long-lasting beauty. This kit restores and protects leather seats, jackets, shoes, purses, furniture, and more. It helps keep all your leather goods looking and feeling their best. Simply apply, wipe, and buff for soft, smooth, and rejuvenated leather. It's ideal for car interiors, sofas, handbags, and more, perfect for maintaining a luxurious look and feel. What we like. This kit offers a complete solution, cleaning and conditioning your leather in one go. It protects against drying, cracking, and fading, ensuring your leather stays beautiful. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to maintain the look and feel of your leather car seats, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The cleaner worked well to remove dirt and grime, and the conditioner added a subtle, natural shine without being overly greasy or heavy. The application was easy, and I appreciated that it didn't leave any sticky residue behind. My leather seats now feel soft, moisturized, and refreshed. After just using the cleaner, all of that came out and I could run my hand across it without it sticking to it, chattering across it, etc., and the leather felt much smoother. The conditioner just amplifies that difference. The leather felt softer, more supple, even better than I remember it being when she first got the car. Number 4. Furniture Clinic Leather Restoration Kit, Maroon. This product has earned the Good Housekeeping seal. It has been rigorously tested by experts for effectiveness and quality. You can trust it to deliver on its promises. This kit includes a leather cleaner, recoloring balm, sponge, and cloth. It's everything you need to restore your leather furniture. This is a comprehensive solution for your leather care needs. The leather balm quickly and easily restores color to absorbent leathers. It's perfect for areas faded by sunlight or heat. It will bring your furniture back to life. The leather cleaner removes dirt and grime. It prepares your leather for the recoloring balm. This two-step process ensures a thorough restoration. Before use, test if your leather absorbs liquid. Apply a drop of water to see if it soaks in. This will help you determine if it's suitable for this product. We're confident you'll love the results. If you're not satisfied, we offer a money-back guarantee. Our experts are here to help if you have any questions. What we like. Backed by the Good Housekeeping seal, this kit provides a trusted solution for leather restoration. It's designed to restore color to faded and worn leather, making it ideal for furniture. If you have absorbent leather furniture that needs a color refresh, you should consider this kit for its proven effectiveness. What people say. The leather cleaner took care of the discoloration in the high-use spots, and the leather balm got rid of the gray cracks and restored the smoothness of the leather. The wine stain is almost invisible and the ottoman looks like new. Efface less rayures sur less sacs. Number 3. Furniture Clinic Medium Brown Leather Dye. Is your leather looking a little worse for wear? This product is designed to restore scratched or faded leather. It revitalizes the color and protects it from future damage. Give your furniture a new lease on life. This leather dye removes wear and tear, and restores the natural tones. It also helps prevent cracking and peeling, keeping it looking great for longer. Bring your leather furniture back to its former glory with this easy-to-use formula. It restores color, repairs scratches, and protects against sun damage. The result is a polished and durable finish. This product has earned the Good Housekeeping seal. It has been rigorously tested by experts for its effectiveness and quality. You can trust it to deliver great results. We're confident you'll love this product. If you have any questions before you buy, our experts are here to help. And if you're not completely satisfied, we offer a money-back guarantee. What we like. This product is a dedicated leather scratch remover and furniture restorer. It's designed to repair scratches, revitalize faded hues, and deliver a vibrant finish. If you like a product that focuses on restoring the color and repairing scratches on your leather furniture, this is the one for you. What people say. The leather cleaner took care of the discoloration in the high-use spots, and the leather balm got rid of the gray cracks and restored the smoothness of the leather. It took multiple coats of the balm to hide all the cracks, but the furniture looks like new again. My couch had several scratches from usage and it all disappeared after dying. Number 2. COCONIX Leather and Vinyl Repair Kit, Brown and Shades. Over 1 million people worldwide trust this kit to restore their favorite items. It has helped them bring their belongings back to their original condition. Everything you need is included in the box, making repairs simple and stress-free. This kit provides a complete solution for your damaged items. With a full spectrum of colors and a foolproof mixing guide, it's easy to create the perfect match. From tan to chocolate, you can find the right shade. The formula is flexible and durable, ensuring your repair lasts. You can trust it to keep your items looking great for a long time. Cracks, scratches, burns, holes, peeling, and discoloration are no match for this kit. It can restore almost any damage. Whether it's leather couches, car seats, or jackets, this kit works on various materials. It covers real leather, faux leather, vinyl, PU, and bonded leather. If you need help, the team of experts offers free personalized advice. They can help you handle any tricky repair with confidence. What we like. This kit provides an all-in-one solution for various types of leather damage. With a wide range of colors and a foolproof mixing guide, it ensures a perfect match every time. If you have any kind of damage, from cracks to holes, and want a durable, flexible repair, this kit is your best bet. What people say. The product was simple enough to use. Came with instructions, color chart for mixing, and contact info if support was needed. I used the spatula and started applying as instructed, outer edges first toward the middle of damaged area. Let it dry and reapply. After 2 coats were dry, smoothed out with alcohol and cotton ball. Brush was easy to apply, and quickly covered much larger area as well as much more detail in between stitching. Number 1. Furniture Clinic Leather Repair Paint, 2-in-1 Kit. Is your leather looking worn and faded? This 2-in-1 kit is designed to bring it back to life. It's the perfect solution for scratches, tears, and color loss. Choose from 16 different colors to match your leather perfectly. You can restore the original color or even change it completely. It's easy to customize. The paint dries flexibly, preventing future damage and discoloration. It penetrates the leather fibers, providing full coverage without changing the texture. This ensures long-lasting results. Apply it with a brush, sponge, or spray. The paint dries quickly, and it's recommended to let it cure for 24 hours. This makes the process simple and convenient. This kit combines color and finish, acting as a leather color restorer. It seals itself when drying, eliminating the need for an extra finish coat. This simplifies the repair process. Use it on sofas, car seats, clothing, and more. It's designed to repair scuffs, scratches, and color loss on all types of leather items. It's versatile and effective. What we like. This product combines sealing and coloring in one step, simplifying the restoration process. Available in 16 colors, it allows you to restore or even change the color of your leather. If you like a quick and easy solution for repairing scuffs, scratches, and color loss on your leather items, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Easy to apply, dried quickly with hairdryer on cool setting. Transformed my leather chair to look new again. Covered cat scratches and crease marks on the seat cushion. The bottle is rather small but a little goes a long way. I just used a paper towel and rubbed the product into the imperfections of the couch. The couch looks brand new, if not, better. Outstanding product, it covered a worn faded leather recliner without any problems. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.